Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to add contacts to the Focus Assist priority list in Windows 10. Focus Assist is a powerful feature that helps you stay focused and minimize interruptions while working. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to customize your priority list by adding specific contacts. Let's dive in Step 1. To begin, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Next, navigate to Settings. You can find the Settings icon in the Start menu or by searching for Settings in the search bar. Step 3. Click or tap on the System icon within the Settings menu. Step 4. Within the System settings, click or tap on Focus Assist in the left side panel. Step 5. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the option Customize your priority list. Click or tap on this link. Step 6. To add a contact to the priority list, click or tap on Add Contacts. A list of your contacts will appear. Step 7. Scroll through the list and locate the contact you want to add. Once you find them, click or tap on the contact to select them. Step 8. Congratulations. You have successfully added the selected contact to your Focus Assist priority list. And there you have it. You have now learned how to add contacts to the Focus Assist priority list in Windows 10. Customize your work environment and ensure that important contacts can reach you during focused work sessions. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a distraction-free work environment with Windows 10 Focus Assist.